اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم افتح علینا حکمتک وانشر علینا رحمتک یا ذا الجلال والاکرام. We are reading lesson number 16, تفخیم and ترقیق. Let's start the lesson. را زبر را, جیم پیش جو, راجو, لم double پیش لون, راجولون. When ra carries zabar, pronounce it with a thick tone, راجولون. حمزہ زبر آ, لام میم زبر لم, علم تا زبر تا, علم تا, را زبر را, علم تارا. If any letter other than ba or meme is present after meme sakin, izhar shafi is done within the meme sakin, unna is not done. When ra carries zabar, pronounce it with a thick tone, alam tara. Ra pesh ru, zaze zi, ruzi, qaf waw pesh ku, ruzi qu. When ra carry pesh, pronounce it with a thick tone. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to two harkat. Ruziqu. Hamza kaf sabar ak, tha zabar tha, aktha, ra pesh ru, aktharu. When ra carries pesh, pronounce it with a thick tone, aktharu. Hamza jim zabar aj, ra double zabar run, ajran. Jim is letter of kalkala. When the letter of kalkala is sakin, kalkala should be more prominent. When ra carries double zabar, pronounce it with a thick tone, ajran. Hamza jim zabar aj, ra double pesh run, ajrun. Jim is letter of kalkala. When the letter of kalkala is sakin, kalkala should be more prominent. When ra carries double pesh, pronounce it with thick tone, ajrun. Hamza bazir ib, ra vertical zabar ra, ibra, ha yazir hi, ibrahi, mim zabar ma, ibrahima. Ba is letter of kalkala. When the letter of kalkala is sakin, kalkala should be more prominent. Ain ra zabar ar, sheen double pesh shun, arshun. When letter before ra sakin carries zabar, pronounce it with a thick tone. Hamza mim zabar am, swa zabar swa, am swa, ba ra zabar bar, am swabar, nun alif zabar na, am swabar na. If any letter other than ba or meme is present after meme sakin, izhar shafi is done within the meme sakin, gunna is not done. Swad always pronounced with thicker voice, its mustaliya letter. When letter before ra sakin carries zabar, pronounce it with a thick tone. When there is zabar before alif, it becomes alif madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to two harkat. Am swabarna. Tara pesh tur, jim zer ji, turji, ain waw pesh u, turji'u, nun zabarna, turji'una. When letter before ra sakin carries pesh, pronounce it with a thick tone. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to two harkat. Turji'una. Ya ra pesh yur, za zabar za, yurza, qaf waw pesh ku, yurzaqu, nun zabarna, yurzaquna. When letter before ra sakin carries pesh, pronounce it with a thick tone. Qaf always pronounced with thicker voice, its mustaliya letter. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to two harkat. Yurzaquna. Hamza ra zer ir, jim ain zer ji, irji. When there is ra sakin before temporary zer, pronounce it with a thick tone. Rajulun, alam tara, ruziqu, aktharu, ajran, ajrun, ibrahima, arshun, am swabarna, turji'una, yurzaquna, irji'. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.